Hey everybody, I'm Colby Dauberson, Certified Financial Planner, and in today's video, I want to talk about an area that is so important but often overlooked. Just about everybody has it, but they don't know exactly what it is they have. I'm talking about the exciting topic of auto, home, and liability insurance. Auto, home, and liability coverage refers to a combination of insurance policies that provide protection in different areas. You may have Geico, Amica, Liberty, or maybe you are working with an independent broker. Whatever the case, let's go through some of the key areas that you should be considering when purchasing or renewing this coverage. Coverage limits. Make sure you have enough coverage to protect your assets in case of an accident or loss. Have you made changes or improvements to your home, or has it recently increased in value? That might be a reason to revisit your coverage limits and make sure they're up to par. Decide on an appropriate deductible that you can afford to pay out of pocket if you need to file a claim. Typically, the higher the deductible, the lower the premium. But the trade-off is if you need to file a claim, you're on the hook for that higher deductible. Choosing a higher deductible is a good way to save on your premium, but leaves you open to the risk that something happens and you end up paying that higher deductible. A lower deductible reduces this risk, but increases the premium. Discounts. Look for discounts that may be available to you, such as multi-policy discounts or discounts for safety features on your car. In the past, my broker provided discounts if I had a AAA membership or if I donated to a local charity. Consider the reputation and financial stability of the insurance company. There's ratings agencies. You might have heard of AM Best or Moody's. They exist to evaluate factors such as the insurer's claims paying ability, level of financial reserves, and overall performance. You can Google the company to find their ratings. Look into the customer service reputation of the company. A company with good customer service will be more responsive and helpful if you need to file a claim. You don't want to get stuck on hold for hours on end should you need to use your coverage. Consider bundling your auto and home insurance with the same company to save money on your premiums. This ties back into discounts. So also look for opportunities to get you and your significant other or kids on the same policy. Personal liability insurance provides protection if you're found legally responsible for injuring someone else or damaging their property. It covers the cost of legal defense, court judgments, and settlements up to the policy's limits. Liability coverage is often included in your homeowner's insurance and auto insurance policies, but you can also obtain separate liability coverage known as umbrella insurance for additional protection beyond the limits of these primary policies. It's so important to protect yourself from financial ruin in case you are found liable for an accident or other event that causes damage or injury to others. Now let's expand for a moment on umbrella. Umbrella insurance can also provide coverage for things that may not be covered by your regular insurance, such as defamation, false arrest, and invasion of privacy. Additionally, umbrella insurance can also help protect your future earning potential by covering the cost of legal fees and settlements in case you are sued. Overall, umbrella insurance is an important consideration for anyone with significant assets or a high potential for liability, as it can provide an extra layer of protection and ultimately peace of mind. Now, here are a few important things to consider when setting up your insurance plan. Do you have a pool? Do you take part in dangerous activities like ATV riding or boating? Do you have rental properties? Do your children drive vehicles owned in your name? These things can have a huge impact on the types of coverage you should have and the amount of coverage you should have. While these risks are usually very infrequent, when they do happen, they can be catastrophic. Insurance is all about preparing for the unexpected, being a great saver, a frugal spender, and a high earner. These are all great ways to build financial success, but can easily be derailed by the unforeseen. In conclusion, when it comes to auto, home, and liability insurance, it's crucial to take time to consider these factors like coverage limits, deductibles, discounts, bundling options, and the importance of liability coverage. Additionally, don't overlook the value of umbrella insurance, which can provide an extra layer of protection for unforeseen events. Remember, taking into account the necessary steps to protect yourself financially can bring you peace of mind, even in those rare, potentially catastrophic situations. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.